Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Is it really the king of smartphones? It's Alex here, ready to crack open the biggest question of the year. Is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra truly the king of smartphones? After weeks of intense testing, late nights, and way too much screen time, I'm here to deliver the verdict. Let's know the S24 Ultra's impressive specs in a short glimpse. It has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 1440 by 3120 pixels of resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 8-core processor, based on TSMC's 4nm process node and features a Qualcomm Kryo 64-bit architecture. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 3 different storage sizes: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB of UFS 4.0, not expandable storage. This smartphone comes with a quad-camera system with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom lens in the rear. And the front camera is 12 megapixel, 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. What about the operating system? Well, it operates with the latest version of the Android 14.0 OS. Samsung has packed this phone with the latest and greatest technology to deliver a truly premium experience. Well, let's dive into deep. Samsung's been on a roll. The S23 was a beast, and the S24 Ultra promises to be even fiercer. But hype is one thing, reality another. So where does this king actually sit? Let's break it down. Display and design, a feast for the eyes. This display, fam, is breathtaking. Brighter than a supernova, sharper than a samurai's blade, and smoother than a freshly paved highway on a moonlit night. Watching movies feels like teleporting to the screen, and gaming? Forget lagging and pixelated messes. This is a 120 Hz symphony of smooth graphics. But it's not just about the pixels. The design is next level. Gone are the curved edges, replaced by a sleek, flat masterpiece that screams premium. The titanium frame feels like holding a piece of the future, and the new matte finish says luxury without screaming it. Samsung hasn't just upped the specs, they've crafted a smartphone masterpiece. Performance and power, a speed demon unleashed. Now, on to the engine that drives this beast, the performance. Buckle up, folks, because this phone is faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. Apps launch in nanoseconds, multitasking is a breeze, and even the most demanding games run like butter on a hot pan. The new Snapdragon chip is a titan, and the software optimizations are like a well-oiled machine. Forget lag, forget stutters, this phone is a performance powerhouse. Camera, capturing the unseen. But here's where things get truly groundbreaking. The camera. Samsung, you've outdone yourselves. That 200-megapixel sensor is pure magic, sucking in light like a black hole and spitting out photos that are sharper than a surgeon's scalpel. Details I didn't even know existed pop out. Low-light shots look like they were taken with a studio setup. And the zoom? Don't even get me started. It's like having a telescope in your pocket, bringing distant objects closer than ever before. And it's not just about hardware. The software is a game changer too. AI-powered scene optimization, real-time editing tools that feel like superpowers, and even AI-generated filters that are actually good. Samsung, you created a photographer's playground in your pocket. The S Pen, more than just a stylus. But wait, there's more. The S Pen is back, and it's better than ever. This isn't just a stylus anymore. It's a productivity wand, a creativity catalyst, and an all-around awesome addition. Air gestures let you control the phone like a Jedi, handwritten notes transform into typed masterpieces with a tap, and the new low latency makes drawing feel like gliding on silk. The verdict, a worthy king, but with caveats. So, is the Galaxy S24 Ultra the king of smartphones? Undeniably, it's a contender. The display is a masterpiece. The performance is unmatched. The camera is revolutionary, and the S Pen is the cherry on top. But is it perfect? Not quite. The battery life could be better, the price tag might make your wallet cry, and there are a few software niggles that need ironing out. But these are minor blemishes on a truly remarkable phone. The final word, an undeniable powerhouse. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just another flagship phone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or inquiries about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any other smartphone, laptop, and electronic gadgets, please leave a comment below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Prices may vary depending on promotions and when you buy the product. So do not forget to check the description links for the best deal. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.